8 degrees in here. Today is March 2nd, 2019. And it is overcast outside, and it's supposed to rain for the next few days. Again, our field is so swampy, but you know, at least I'm not dealing with freezes, right? So I'm going to get back to work and finish cutting my panels. Okay, I am cutting sheet metal, 34 inches long, approximately. And I had to borrow this because mine got taken. Don't know where it ended up at. And I am using a Dremel with a metal cutting blade. And I'm just kind of slow cutting it as I go along. I have safety glasses on, and I have my leather gloves. Bring down this side. One thing I will say is wear long sleeves if possible. It's too hot today, so I chose not to wear long sleeves, and I'll probably just have to, you know, use something on my skin later. Put the glove back on. Okay, so if you haven't figured it out by now, this will be my new wall. I think it's going to look really neat. It kind of has like a little mirrored type look to it, and it will go the whole way around this part of my wall. So I'm going to continue cutting my pieces, and we will just get the pieces cut today. That's all I'm doing today. Another thing on this is these sheets are 36 inches. No, anyhow, yeah, they're about, I don't know how long. Anyhow, I'm cutting by 34-inch sections, and this section right here is the smooth section. This part here is where I've already cut. So I'm going to make my cut on the not smooth section so that I have at least one smooth panel on one end. However, it's not really going to matter in the long run. Okay, I have all my pieces cut, and I just kind of laid them on the walls to see how they would look. I like it. I think it looks kind of cool. I have one more piece to cut. Right here, I'm going to cut a divider because my TV will be on this side, my stove, of course, on this side. Catch y'all later, and live the life you love. It's gonna look great. I'm gonna like it. Like I said, this is gonna be something you'll either love it or you hate it. You might like it, I don't know. But a lot of people do not like this at all. But it's my RV. Bye.